Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the privacy guide with your Google Chrome browser. To do that, we need to click here and click on the settings. In your left, we have privacy and security. We need to click at the privacy and security. And here we have the privacy guide. We need to click and you can find that privacy and security under that, and I'm going to click on the privacy guide. So first step is to click to next. So here we have this option, make searches and browsing better, which is already here turned on, but if it's turned off, we need to click to turn it on. And next we need to select here these two options. First, enhanced protection. Let me read the description for you. Real-time proactive protection against dangerous sites, downloads, and extension that is based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. And second, we have the standard protection, which protects against sites, downloads, and extensions that are known to be dangerous when you visit a site. Chrome sends an obfuscated portion of the URL to Google through a privacy server that hides your IP address. If a site does something suspicious, full URLs and bits of page content are also sent. So here you have two options that you can choose. So I'm going to go with the enhanced protection. So here is when on and things to consider. You can read all and then you can click on next. And here we can block third party cookies, and also you can check this option. You can select this radio button. It's not a check button, but it's like a radio button. You can select that, which you can block third party cookies in incognito. If you're using the private browsing, if you click here, you can open new incognito window, which you can use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus N. And if you don't want to use this cognito, then you can select this one. And when on, you can see the description and things to consider, like sites can only use cookies to see your browsing activity on their own site. And I'm going to go with that, and here, as you can see, we are done. And you can click on add privacy. You can see the Chrome gives you more controls over the ads you see and limits what sites can learn about you when they show you personalized ads, and you can see web and app activity if you want to. Now I'm going to click on done. Now we turn on this privacy guide with our browser. So this is how we can turn on this privacy guide for our Google Chrome browser. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon as well if you want to get the latest updates when we upload new videos in our channel. So see you guys in the next video.